Welcome to the University of South Wales. Thank you for choosing to study with us. It's a pleasure to have you with us. My name is Stuart Milligan. I'm a member of the academic team at the university and I will guide you and support you through this induction series of videos and the research methods module which follows. This session is about discovering the world that awaits you at the University of South Wales. It has been designed to give you an overview of the university and discover what it will be like to be a student here. Over the next 15 minutes or so, I'd like to outline the world that awaits you at the University of South Wales, how you will benefit by studying with us, and give you a flavour of what it will be like to study with us. In this session, I will discuss a number of important topics that help you to get to know USW and the South Wales Business School better. I will start by exploring the ethos of South Wales Business School, detailing the principles upon which our teaching and learning practice has been developed. I will then highlight our unique approach which really makes us different from other business schools. I will finish this session by discussing our portfolio of business, law and accounting provision. The world we work, study and live in is changing rapidly. At USW we recognise this. We understand that as the world around us changes, the way we learn and interact with it has to change also. To prepare our students so they can enter the workplace equipped to address the global challenges they are likely to face, we approach teaching and learning through the core values of ethics, community, industry and social change. As business leaders of the future, you have the responsibility to make ethical decisions, to serve the community in which you operate and be an agent for positive social change. It is very difficult to learn these values from a textbook. This is why we have forged strong links with industrial partners to inform our curriculum and indeed our overarching approach to learning and teaching. Our university delivers courses to thousands of students across South Wales and beyond, so we work hard to provide our students with exceptional learning and support. We pride ourselves on our proactive approach to curriculum design, ensuring that every course is recognised by appropriate well-being professional bodies. This means that students can be confident that they are gaining skills and knowledge that are valued by employers. These accreditations mean that students are more likely to be attractive to employers and in many disciplines command stronger salaries upon graduation. When we designed the current curriculum, we didn't want to simply produce textbook-based courses that are found in business schools across the world. We set out to design courses that would challenge, inspire and ultimately transform students into work-ready, rounded graduates. This means you'll be taught and assessed through a variety of different approaches. Some will feel uncomfortable. Some will really stretch you. However, so will the world of work, and at USW you can learn these skills in a safe, supportive environment. Our university delivers close to thousands of students across South Wales and beyond, so we work hard to provide our students with exceptional learning and support. In accounting and finance, we ranked 53rd in the UK overall, up from 17th in 2018, but a small fall from 2019. We're joint 13th in the UK for teaching quality and 3rd in the Alliance University Group overall, 8th in the UK for student experience and 2nd in the Alliance University Group. In business, we ranked 58th in the UK overall, up from 112th in 2018 and 88th in 2019. We're joint 3rd in the UK for teaching quality and top in the Alliance University Group. We're 12th in the UK for student experience and 2nd in the Alliance University Group. With regard to law, we ranked 56th in the UK, up from 77th in 2018 and 59th in 2019. We're 6th in the UK for teaching quality and top of the Alliance University Group again. We're 5th in the UK for student experience and top of the Alliance University Group. In the business school, we praise ourselves on having staff who are supportive and approachable. Throughout your course, the business school staff are committed to supporting you to achieve your potential both professionally and personally. You'll have a personal tutor, course leader, your tutor to personally look after you. We'll also first year business and professional skills development module to help you ensure you're well equipped with the demands and understand the expectations at higher education level. All of these are available online. Most importantly, courses in the business school are more than just a degree. Employability is the heart of everything that we do, and we ensure that our graduates have a good mix of specialist knowledge and practical experience and are fully prepared for their careers. Throughout your course, you learn about business and be exposed to a wide range of learning opportunities that recreate the workplace. This hands-on approach ensures you're ready for the workplace and have the confidence to succeed. Through your simulations, live case studies and industry projects, and some of our courses also have embedded work experience to help you gain the skills you need for your career. Because our courses are designed to equip you for your career, many of our courses have received a seal of approval from professional bodies, which means that they are at the highest standard and can earn exemptions from professional exams. We want to maximise our students' chance of getting a job after they study with us by exposing them to a wide range of work experience opportunities to enhance and develop their employability skills. We offer outstanding student support with academic personal tutors for every student, award-winning peer-assisted learning scheme, a dedicated course leadership team, outstanding student support and wellbeing services, outstanding career service, and our Business School Academic Success Centre launched this year. We also have 24 access to librarian support. We want you to succeed in your studies and your future career, and therefore teaching is designed to equip you for this success. On our courses, you'll be taught by lecturers who are experts in the field. Many of our academics are heavily involved in applied research within the specialist areas and work hard to research solutions for problems that affect society and our economy. For example, within the School of Business, 19 of the lecturers are cutting edge research in the following areas: sustainable supply chain management, procurement, logistics, strategy, marketing, entrepreneurship, economics, leadership and human resource management. This means that on your course you'll be taught by staff who are national and international experts in their field, who are at the cutting edge of learning and knowledge. At the University of South Wales, we pride ourselves in having staff who are supportive and approachable, and throughout your course your lecturers are committed to supporting you achieve your potential, both professionally and personally. All of this support is underpinned with excellent learning support and facilities that are available to you throughout your course. As a student here, you use the latest technologies to enhance your learning experience. From virtual learning environments, fully equipped libraries, accessible IT and specialist equipment, you have all you need at your fingertips to succeed at your course. Most importantly, at University of South Wales, it's more than just a degree. Employability is the heart of everything we do, and we ensure that our graduates have a good mix of specialist knowledge and practical experience that are fully prepared for their careers. As an online student, you can sometimes feel isolated from the wider student community. A vibrant social media community that should be part of USW, no matter who you are in the world. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this video and giving you an introduction of University of South Wales. Hope it's been informative. The next video shall then now explore the course overview specific to the Research Methods course. See you soon. Bye.